Divide 360 divided by 8. When I want to find out how many times 8 goes into 360, I take 8 and see if it goes into 3 first. It doesn't. So then I take 8 and see if it goes into 36. Well, it doesn't evenly. So what I do is I think of a number smaller than 36, and 32 would work. And so 8 times 4 would be 32. So I'm going to write 4 above the 36. Now you take that 4 and you multiply it to 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Then we subtract what we got. 36 minus 32 is 4. Now we drop down the next number. Drop down 0 and repeat the process. Does 8 go into 4? No. Does 8 go into 40? Yes, it does. How many times? Exactly 5. So 5 times 80 is 40. Now we subtract those numbers and we get a perfect 0, which means there's no remainder. So 360 divided by 8 is 45.